come along. Jingly, jingly, a little song. My little puppy runs so fast, chasing his tail he spins. At last he jumps so high, he skips the ground. My little puppy's joy's unbound. His floppy ears, they flap and flop. He doesn't know when he should stop. He barks at bees, he barks at air. My little puppy's everywhere. He loves his bowl, he loves his bone. He chews my shoes when I'm alone. His wagging tail just never quits. My little puppy gives me fits. But when he's tired, he curls up tight beside my bed all through the night. He dreams of running through the park. My little puppy's heart's a spark.